Hey guys, today we'll be learning on how you can generate 30 to 40 sales calls from just one LinkedIn post. Now, before you say that I'm just bluffing, let me just show you the results that I recently got. This is one of the lead magnet I posted just 3 days before, and this was the amount of result it got me, right? This was just again in terms of likes and comments, right? Here, I'll show you the amount of calls it helped me book. So these are all notifications of Calendly. You can see the timings, the dates here. So you don't think, I'm just bluffing. So yeah, this is exactly how a lead magnet works. Now, before getting right into it, let me just give you a quick intro. I'm Suprava and I run a lead generation agency called Acquisition X, where we post lead magnets every single week. Now, before wasting so much time, let's get right into it. So let's first understand on what a lead magnet even is, right? I'm pretty sure you must have heard about this term, but you may not know how this thing actually works. So let's dissect into it. So first of all, you create something for free for your audience and you offer it to your audience. After that, what happens is they engage and that's how their audience get to know about you. So this is like a one-way path where you don't have to invest so much time and energy into it, but at the same time, you are getting value from it, right? So this is the same thing. I'm pretty sure you guys must have seen whenever someone, creates a reel, or it could be like a LinkedIn post, or it could be whenever you visit someone's website, it asks you their email, in order to give you something for free. So that's exactly, what a lead magnet is. So let's understand with a framework that got us 30 to 40 sales calls, and it got La Growth Machine about 100 plus something signups from just one LinkedIn post. Let me just quickly walk you through it. Okay, so this is the post that I did for La Growth Machine, plus, for us as well. If you see the structure here, how to build a AI SDR that runs multi-channel leads and campaigns for you. Now, if you see here, I'm first of all talking about like an AI SDR. This is again a very new concept, and a lot of people would think it will pique their curiosity, right? Whenever you'll feel something AI is doing, you'll instantly think okay, I need to try it out, right? So that's exactly how the human brain works if you think about the entire psychology concept, right? The second hook, that was DM me if you want this system in house. Exactly, from here you can derive your leads to your inbox, and this is again one of the things that works really, really well. So then this is the body part where I've mentioned what exactly they will be getting in this entire funnel, and this is the CTA, like this post, comment LG, and I'll send you the entire playbook for free, right? Now, one of the most important thing that actually worked here is this, okay? Graphic is very, very important, guys. Whenever you're creating content, any kind of content, I'm not even talking about lead generation here, any kind of content, graphic is very, very important there, right? So you need to make sure that you have a good graphic team. Even if you don't have it, what you can do, you can take screenshot of a Notion file or anything. This is basically a screenshot of a Notion file, right? So yeah, people will feel okay, this is something that they're getting. Now let's understand this from few more examples. Now this is the result that it got us. I've attached one Calendly, again my screenshot, and this is the Tapliet link. I'm just gonna zoom in. I think I can. Now this is the Tapliet link. If you see here, the amount of results it got for La Growth Machine, right? I mean, if you're a SaaS founder and if you're thinking to get started with LinkedIn, lead magnets would be the best way. So they are getting notifications, something like this every single day. So that's how crazy a lead magnet is over LinkedIn. Now let's break down a few more examples to understand it a little better. So this one post was done by Jacob Bank from relay.app. If you see here, again, the hook, right? Here, 40 AI agents again feels something very weird. If you see here, this part, this is the body where he has just, he has kept it really small, and then the CTA, right? Earlier, there was no link here. He has just added the link. Now, if you see this part, right? People are going extremely crazy over this post. The reason, because, it felt unbelievable. Now, this is the exact reason why this lead magnet post worked. Let me give you guys another example, something a little more smaller, maybe. Okay, so this is Matt, and this guy, he has also posted a lead magnet here that looks super simple to read. Because see guys, whenever it comes to lead magnet or any kind of LinkedIn post or even a blog, people should be able to scan it, right? That's how it should work. So make sure whatever you are creating, it's scannable. It's not readable, it's scannable. Okay, so if you see here again, this is a very bold claim, right? This is a very bold claim, so make sure you guys also do it. Again, this guy, he has done something else. He reverse engineered. Most of the time you'll see the CTA here, but what he has done it, he has added it as a subhook. Now instantly people, because see, these days attention span is like very very less, right? So what happens is, whenever someone sees like, okay, this is the funnel and this is how it's gonna work, people are gonna go simply crazy about it. And of course, if you see the graphic here, right, it looks like there are like a lot of elements inside, and this seems like very very valuable. I'm not sure if it's valuable, if it's not valuable, we don't know that, but what we can see here, it looks valuable, and that's exactly how it triggers your prospect's mind. Now let's understand a few examples of lead magnets that you can offer to your audience. I will start with swipe files. It could be some ad creatives. If you're into ads, it could be basically just think about anything. If you're into content, it could be hooks. If you're into something else, it could be that. Just think about what could be very very useful to your target audience, and you just need to create based on that, right? So these are like few examples that I feel is the best. So guys, make sure you take a screenshot of this part. Now, from where do you exactly create the lead magnets from? This is one of the most commonly asked question. So I know that you guys don't have time. I'm pretty sure a lot of you must be solopreneurs. Some of you must be freelancers. A lot of you maybe founders of huge companies who don't have like a lot of time. So what do you exactly do? What you can do here is, first of all, if you have a team, right, you can just ask them to record whatever day-to-day daily work that they're doing in order to create. Let's take your team is creating like a cold email funnel. Just ask them to record the entire thing, and it's ready to go. So all you need to do is just add some captions, some editing, and that's it. You can also convert it into a YouTube video. So just think about it, right? It could be basically anything that can be very helpful for your audience, and at the same time, it doesn't require a lot of time for you. Now ChatGPT is here. You can always use ChatGPT. It's very very simple to use, guys. So make sure you do that. These are again few things. Just take a screenshot if you want. Now let's move to the another part, which is the format that work really really well on LinkedIn whenever it comes to creating lead magnets. One of the format I would say is a Notion link, then a few document, YouTube video, Miro board, any kind of shareable link, right? In my experience, what I've seen, video and Notion link, these two formats work really really well. So make sure you guys focus on these two formats the most. Now, how exactly do you find lead magnets that are posted by your creators, right? So this is again very simple trick. What you can do is you can use this software Clio.so. It's like a Chrome extension. Okay, use a fake LinkedIn account, install this software, and just put some keywords or your creators and see which lead magnet posts are doing very very well, right? First analyze, right? Before you do anything, guys, first analyze. If you want to do with my content, you can also do that. Few of my team members also create a lot of lead magnets. You can also do that, right? So make sure guys you analyze what kind of lead magnets are performing well, then post that entire, just copy paste that framework into ChatGPT, and ChatGPT will basically give you like a framework that's going to work. Then all you need to do is just add your own content there, right? So make sure guys do not copy any kind of creators. Create your own thing, because in the end that's what's gonna work, right? So another quick method I would say is you can check some blogs, take some inspiration, and you can also convert those blogs. If you have blogs, you can just convert those into lead magnets. Just make sure it's valuable to your audience, and that's all about it. Now coming to the most important part. Suprabha, how do we even sort the comments? I know it's a lot. Let's take, if you're just starting out, even if you're not starting out, you posted a lead magnet and it went like super viral, you have like 1,000 comments, right? Any person would go absolutely insane replying to those comments. So how exactly do you even take care? One of the few things I will personally suggest is, first thing, you can reply directly to the comments and you can make a list of people that you feel are very much high valuable and you can just DM them on the DM basis, right? Another thing that I will suggest is, using an AI agent. Now, what we do, I'll tell you, we created an AI agent that scrapes the comment, then enriches the list and runs a smart lead campaign for you, right? Now, this is something we did because we were going super crazy, because LinkedIn will give you a warning, right? If you just start sending people links on their DMs, it's gonna, ban you. So guys, please don't do that. If you're posting a lead magnet, if it goes viral, either you can reply in the comments directly or you can just, use this AI agent. Now, I have created an entire video that you can find in the description below, which shows you how exactly this agent works, how you can make this agent work in your favor, and basically how you can launch a campaign using it. I'm also giving you the free JSON file, so you don't have to build everything from scratch, right? So make sure you guys watch that video. It's in the comments below. So I hope you guys liked this video. If you have any thoughts or any kind of comments, let me know, and I'll see you on the next one.